Bornok Magosong 111.
Bornok Magosong, guys.
Okay, we have number 16, that is Mitch Rivera. Grabe ang tagamit na lang, guys, no? Parang walang tomorrow. Kumbaga pa. Okay, we have Carl, number 4. Carl Rivera. Kapatid ni Mitch Rivera. Okay, sponsored by Manny Pacquiao. Okay, 111 bike, blue bike that is Bornok. I love it. Ang daming pro guys. Promise. You will be seeing the riders tomorrow, our top quality riders na Pinas. They will be having a good ride tomorrow. Huh? Of course, we will. Okay, calling the attention of Clark Walesa, where are you, and Rai Rai Baitit and Makong Dimata. Proceed to the racetrack. So you can have your warm up, and of course
Grabe, galupad yun. Practice pa lang dapat.
Okay. So, yes, the white Yamaha bike, blue jersey, that is, of course, Mitch Rivera. Woo! I love it. Bornok Magosong. Ayan, hinabol si Mitch Rivera with drone. Oh, Spanish grid, white bike, blue jersey number 16, that is Mitch Rivera. Okay, we would like to welcome, of course, our Mindanao vloggers. No? How about you, Clay? Okay, bike number 21. Pumasok na si Makong Dimata riding for Ronald Gas Station. Okay, here's Rob Bukidnon riding the green bike, that is Makong Dimata. And we have Butchokoy Ilalas, one of the youngest expert, no? Rider, only 17 years old. Wow.
Grabe.
Woo! People jump.
Wow.
Terence Napat. The green bike jersey
Terence
number 18.
Napat.
That's Terence Napat. From the Kawasaki Philippines Racing. And of course, Bornok is riding for Yamaha Racing Team Philippines. Yan po ang ating mga factory rider, guys. No? Andito ngayon sa Pasig City. Iba talaga ang Pasig. In behalf of the riders of the Philippines, again, we would like to congratulate your very good mayor, of course, as always. Maraming salamat po, Honorable Mayor Attorney Stephen Almares. Thank you. You're the best policy. I love it. Woo! Sarap. Sarap na sari. Okay, that is car number 4, followed by Terence Napat, 18 and 20, good bike, ready for Kawasaki, Philippines. And we have Butchokoy Planas. He is only 17 years old. They are one of the youngest experts. And Moto G. Okay, Jin San, that is Butchokoy Planas. Oh, yung mga idol ninyo ha, pwede kayo mapapicture mamaya. Pag-break na. Ha? Okay, so where is Rai Baiti? One of our top caliber riders from Mindanao. Oh, baka sino pa? Chard. Okay, warm up lang ng ating mga pro, no?
Terence na si Terence. Woo!
Okay, so relax muna yung mga all uniform personnel. Standby muna kayo dyan, okay? Wow! Pero
Baka-
dapat,
Terence Napal. Halimaw.
grabe yung ibang rider natin. Parang walang mga asawa, no? Oh. Tingnan yung mga do or die, picnic. Ha? Okay, yan po ang ating P1. Okay, yun ang ating pinakamataas na jump, pinakalayo. No?
Turnak.
Okay, players, second, step. Okay. So, pwede kayong alam na yung mga tirada sa mga photographer. Alam na kung saan sila magpwesto. So, boss, hanap na kayo. Anyway, please be reminded that hindi po pwede mag-itso kayo pasok sa race.